he's attempting to mount the gearbox. Depending or not whether he does it in the next couple of hours results in his family getting fed or not tonight. This is surprisingly enough a favour for Cameron's rugby coach.
HMRC.
Yeah. Fuck you.
Yeah. Fuck you. Spend more money covering. Well, we'll not get into that.
Was you about to go ham?
Yeah, I was about to go a little bit ham.
About to go ham there, Shell.
Oh my god! He's just raw dogging it.
Round 1.
Oh my god.
Fight.
This is insane.
Go on, Cap.
Stop a rest, mate. You can do it.
A few moments later.
Round 2.
Down for a sec, bro.
A few moments later.
You serious? Final round.
Ah, it's something stopping me on the top fucking right hand corner. Right. Anything stopping me, you can say. Not that I can say, mate.
Can't fucking breathe.
I can't get the fucking thing anywhere close, I can't see.
Oh, well done. Well done.
Well fucking done. Wow. Get it screwed on, Cam.
You put it in the gearbox by lifting it in, that's some legendary footage, that.
So guys, sometimes it does help to be really fat and strong. Or have a gearbox transmission stand
Yeah.
that you can use on the floor. Or better still, have a ramp. It's even better. I'm exhausted.
I don't fucking blame you, mate.
Oh, struggle like fuck on your back.